કેમ છો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો? આજે આ વિડીયોમાં આપણે સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 10th ના યુનિટ 1 અગેન્સ્ટ ધ ઓડ્સમાં રાઇટિંગનું સોલ્યુશન કરવાના છીએ. હવે ફર્સ્ટ આપેલું છે એ લેટર છે, તો આપણે લેટર કમ્પ્લીટ કરીએ. રૂમ નંબર 27, પ્રજ્ઞા હોસ્ટેલ, અમદાવાદ, 25th June 2016. Dear Mama, I hope this letter will end your worries about my stay away from you and home. There are no difficulties in the hostel. Introduction with one another is over. Everyone is having a fine time here. I am lucky to have a very fine boy as my roommate. His name is Mantra. We help each other in our study and live like brothers. The food served here is good and nutritive. It is not very different from what I got at home. You needn't worry about the quality of food. The dining hall is clean and spacious. There is greater variety of if there is any special occasion. Our warden takes good care each of us. Not only this, there is provision of both outdoor and indoor sports. I participate in them regularly. I am doing fine here. Please don't worry about my study and my health. Convey my humble regards to dear Papa and love to Atmata. Reply as early as possible. With love, your loving son, જીત. તો અહીં જીત છે એ હોસ્ટેલમાં ગયા બાદ તેના મમ્મીને ચિંતા ન થાય એના માટેનો લેટર લખે છે. સેકન્ડ છે, તો અહીંયા જે મુદ્દા આપ્યા છે તેના આધારે આપણે ગુજરાતનું બેસ્ટ વિલેજ છે પુનસેરી, તેના વિશે પેરેગ્રાફ લખવાનો છે. તો પેરેગ્રાફ આપણે રીડ કરીએ. પુનસેરી વિલેજ in the Sabarkantha district of Gujarat has won the award for the best village panchayat of Gujarat. It was also awarded as the best Gram Sabha at the national level. What is so special about Punseri? Well, Punseri is a small village with population of about 6,000 in 2012. It has the Panchayati Raj system. Punseri is the first village to supply mineral water for drinking. It has a well-maintained healthcare center. It also provides good banking services to the villagers. Most of the villagers have a bank account. It is the only village panchayat to have toll-free complaint center. There are good roads in the village, and so the panchayat was able to start mini buses from transportation. Punsari being a small village, the panchayat has installed 120 speakers for public announcement across the village. There are 25 CCTV cameras at the village junction. There are 5 primary schools which also have installed CCTV cameras in their premises. The school dropout ratio in this village is 0. This is the only village in the district which has an underground drainage system. Each house has a toilet too. In future, Punsari Gram Panchayat is also thinking of providing Wi-Fi facilities to all the villagers. They are also planning to set up a public library for the students and all the villagers. થર્ડ, અહીંયા ગ્રાફ આપ્યો છે તેના આધારે આપણે પેરેગ્રાફ રાઇટ કરવાનો છે. તો this bar graph shows the information of solar power generation capacity of some of the states of India. Gujarat was ahead of all in production of solar power till 2015. But today, Rajasthan leads in the generation of solar power. However, Tamil Nadu is giving a touch competition to Rajasthan. Uttar Pradesh is only state that was never in competition. It was lagging behind in the past and it still lags behind all the states. In short, in the past, Gujarat led in the generation of solar power. It was followed by Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, and Uttar Pradesh. Today, Rajasthan leads in the generation of solar power. It is followed by Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, and Uttar Pradesh. હવે મેકિંગ માય વિલેજ ઓર સિટી બેટર વિશે પેરેગ્રાફ લખવાનો છે. મુદ્દા આપ્યા છે તો આપણે પેરેગ્રાફ રીડ કરીએ. I live in a small village in Saurashtra. In the past few years, my village has developed a lot. There are good roads, transport facilities, primary health center, and a post office. There are 2 primary schools and 1 high school in my village. But I feel a lot can be still done. And this can be done with the help and cooperation of the people of the village. I would like to implement the PPP, People's Participation Program, model to implement my ideas. First, I would like to see some changes in education. I would like to have a college in my village. Today, many students do not get college education because the nearest college is almost 25 kilometers away in a town. I would also like to open a night school for adults, especially the women. Women's empowerment is a must today. Secondly, I would like to have good library in the village. There should be a bank too. And every household in the village should have at least one account in the bank. There are good irrigation facilities, but I would like to farmers to use better seeds and latest techniques and equipment for farming. The most important improvement that I would like to make is electricity. I will educate the people about the benefits of solar energy. I would encourage them to make most of this natural source of energy. All these facilities would make my village an ideal place to live in. People would have a better life. I would like to name my campaign Maru Gam Adarsh Gam. અન્ય વિડીયોની અપડેટ મળતી રહે એટલા માટે ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરશો. થેન્ક યુ.